What if I told you that you could make up to £5,000 a month by copying and pasting trending articles from Google News or viral YouTube videos to create your own viral content using a simple AI tool? Yes, I am going to show you how you can create your own viral content using these sources without ever showing your face or even using your own voice, all with the help of an AI tool. This method is so easy, even my 7-year-old could do it completely by herself. Now, if you think this sounds too good to be true, I can show you as well other YouTube channels that uses this exact strategy to make thousands of pounds per day. And I will show you how you can copy and paste like an artist and absolutely kill it using this same strategy. Hi, my name is Byte Jones, and as usual, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can come back for more. Now, there are two ways to greatly improve your chances of going viral on YouTube or any social media platform for that matter. First way is to find content that has already gone viral and make that content into your own by creating your own version of it. The second way is to jump onto trending topics. Now, the first method, by copying viral content, already has social proof. So once you uncover that secret sauce that made that content go viral, your chances of going viral too will be huge. Now, obviously, with trending topics, there's already a large audience which is searching actively and consuming these subjects. So we don't need to create any demand from scratch. It is already there. And we're simply jumping in to cash in and getting our slice of the pie. So channels like this one that I'm showing you right now have already mastered the art of creating content that goes viral. Now, to see this, I'm just going to look at their videos and I'm going to sort their videos here by their most popular videos. And here we can see that they have videos that have received millions of views. Now, we're going to jump over to Social Blade here. And as you can see here, they've estimated that this channel makes around £5,000 per month. And let me tell you this, from my own experience, this is a massive underestimate of what this channel actually earns. So let's get started. Now, the first thing we need to do here is to find a popular video. And I've chosen one here from a channel called Concerning Reality about how stock markets works. Now, this is a great topic because financial videos on YouTube often command some of the highest advertising rates. Now, all I am going to do is to copy the link of this video. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a video AI generator called InVideo AI. Now, I've included a link in the description. Just click the link below and sign up to access the platform yourself. So once you've signed up and logged in, we're going to use this simple prompt in the AI. So the prompt is using this YouTube video link, and we're going to paste our link here. Generate a 1-minute video for YouTube. Now, obviously, you can make it longer than 1 minute, but I'm only going to do 1 minute because I want to show you the video here and I don't want to make it too long. So once you get to the next screen, we're going to ask it to use stock media, and we're going to specify that this is for beginners, and then we're going to click continue. Now, the video will take a few minutes to generate. So while this is generating, here is a snippet of the original video that we're going to use as the basis of creating our own video content.
A stock, otherwise known as a share, is a financial token or instrument that signifies ownership of a company in some proportion. Basically, if Amazon had 1,000 shares and you bought 1 share, you would own 1/1000th of Amazon. In reality, Amazon and companies alike have millions of shares, but that sums up the point. When you own a stock, that means that you own a portion of that company.
So now that InVideo has completed our video, let's have a listen and let me know what you think.
Why do 70% of beginner investors hesitate before buying their first stock? Let's make it simple. Stocks are basically tiny pieces of a company that you can buy. When you own a stock, you're a part owner of that company. Cool, right? So, how do you make money? There are 2 main ways. The stock price goes up and you sell for a profit, or the company pays you dividends. Think of it as a thank you for investing. But remember, stocks can go down too. That's why it's crucial to research and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start by choosing companies you know and believe in. Check their financial health and see if they're growing. You can use apps like Robinhood or E*Trade to buy your first stock with just a few clicks, and there you have it. Investing in stocks made simple. Ready to start your journey? Hit that subscribe button for more tips.
It's not bad at all, is it? It only took about 5 minutes to make, which is nothing crazy, but what you get here is an unbelievably good video that you can post on YouTube right now. So now that we've used a proven video that has received millions of views, how can we do the same thing with trending topics as well? For this next example, we're going to use Google News to find some popular trending news stories. And we're just going to jump over here and we're going to scroll through the different sections like world news, business and technology, and so on. And we're going to look for the best stories. So at the time of recording, I found this news article about this Chinese AI platform called DeepSeek, which has recently shocked the world and everybody is talking about it. So I know that this is a trending topic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to go over to InVideo AI, and then I'm going to paste it and instruct it to generate a 1-minute video for YouTube, just like we did in the first example. Now that our prompt is in, I'm just going to click generate video. And again, once it gets to the next screen, we're going to choose the best settings for our video and click continue. Now for this example, I want to cater to the general public and leave all the other settings as they are. Now, by the way, you will notice that I'm using the free version of InVideo AI here to do this. Now, this means that my footage is going to come with watermarks. Now, of course, to remove the watermarks, you just need to get the paid subscription, which I definitely encourage you to do so that your videos will have a more professional look and feel. You do not want to be posting videos with stock videos or iStock photos or Storyblocks watermarks. And that will set you back just under about $30 per month. So yes, there is an investment here like any side hustle. So this video is now ready. Let's play it and see what it sounds like.
Turns out the AI race just took a wild turn. DeepSeek's launch sent shockwaves through the US tech industry, wiping a staggering $1 trillion off the leading US tech index. NVIDIA alone saw a jaw-dropping $600 billion drop in value. Even former President Trump chimed in, calling it a wake-up call for Silicon Valley. The White House is now looking into national security implications. So what makes DeepSeek such a game-changer? For starters, it's a powerhouse at a fraction of the cost. Outperforming OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini on multiple benchmarks, DeepSeek is a force to be reckoned with. And here's the kicker, it's free to download. Founded by Liang Wenfeng in Hangzhou, China, DeepSeek's research-first approach is shaking up the AI landscape. This launch is already being dubbed the new Sputnik moment, hinting at a seismic shift in tech dominance. Stay tuned as the US scrambles to catch up in this high-stakes AI race. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates.
Now, let me know in the comments what you thought of that. I didn't think that was actually too bad. Now, I did pick up a few errors in the recording, but that's fine. You can go into the script and you can edit and correct any incorrect information or even change the graphics that have been used in this video. Also, I've got to be honest with all of you, there is going to be some work involved. While the AI will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, it will write the script, record the voice, put the footage together, but your success will come down to how well you use this tool. Now, once you're happy with this, you just need to publish it onto YouTube, and you will need to do things like optimizing your title and creating a really good thumbnail that is going to entice people to click. Then all you have to do after that is to wait for the views to roll in, and then the money will come soon after. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to make you a millionaire or even make you money overnight. I can safely say that none of the channels that I've shown you today have posted one video and went viral instantly. You need to keep posting videos daily to be jumping on the latest trends. Now look, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it or found it useful, please give the video a thumbs up. The algorithm will love you for it. Take care.